Hello, welcome to today's class. We'll see what is Python. So, as everybody know, Python is a programming language. A part of that, Python is an interpreted language, high-level programming language, Python object-oriented language. So, we'll see this in detail. First is high-level language. So, in our programming language, we have two types of languages: high-level language and low-level language. So, high-level language are which are understandable by the user and it doesn't require external resource to work and that platform dependent. So those are the language like it is a user friendly. Those language will say high level language. On the other hand, a low level language are they need they cannot execute on all platforms. Like they have a special they require a special configuration for machine and they are not user friendly but they are machine friendly. Like machine can easily understand them and we can say low level languages are machine language and assembly language. They are combination of zeros and one and can be understandable by the particular machine. So let's say interpreted language. We have so to convert a language to a machine language, we have interpreter and a compiler. So what compiler will do? Compiler will convert code once and then execute. And what interpreter will do, interpreter convert the code from machine language to convert a code high level language to a machine language line by line. Let's see an example. Suppose I have a code written in Python language and I have a code written in C language. So what is the difference? In both code is same, but in Python language code, I have a error at line number 3. And in compiler I have a error at line number 3 and 5. In both I have error, but if I'll execute Python code, what it will do, it will execute code 1, line 1, line 2, and in line 3. Once it finds an error at line 3, what it will do, it will stop and it will throw an error. And it will stop. Once I'll go and I'll correct this error at line number 3 and I'll execute, then only it will execute line number 4. But C language is, I have written a code in C language. What it will do, it will execute the code, full code at once, and it will throw the error like I have an error at line number 3 and line number 4. This is the difference between a compiler or a. So next is object-oriented programming. So in the Python, everything is an object. Like with whatever we are working with is an object. And the second thing is like in Python, we use we'll do code reusing. We can whatever the code we have written or whatever a particular functionality we have written for some different task. If we need that functionality, we can reuse it in our code also. So suppose I'm going to create an application one and I need some function which is written in some other file which is already created for some application 2. So if I know that I need that code, I can call it here in application 1 and I can use it. So this is all for basics.